If you have an action camera and you're looking for a good quality suction mount, check this one out right here. Now, it doesn't even have to be action camera. You can be using your Pocket 3, you can be using your phone, you can be using whatever, because it's just got a quarter thread mount right here on the end. But it also does come with a quarter thread mount to action adapter. Let's just go ahead and screw our action camera on with the quarter thread, since we have the Hero 13. And this has this two-way arm on here, so you can really adjust your angle of what you want to get, and then you can tighten it down right here, and it won't move at all. So it is on there very strong. Now you have the suction mount right here that you're going to put up to your window, put up to your glass, put up to your mirror, and then you have this little lever right here that's going to suck out all of the air from that, just making it super tight. So you're gonna pop that in like that, and it's not gonna move. It's gonna stay up on that glass. It's gonna look great. And to take it off, you just undo that latch, the air comes through, and then it gives you this little tab that you can peel off, and it just comes undone just like that. You can put this on the side of your car, you can put this on your mirror, you can put this on your windows, anywhere you need to put a suction mount. It just makes it that much more efficient. A really good quality one right here, and it has that just strong suction part to it and strong two-way arm, just making that really tight, not going anywhere. So great quality product from Start RC. I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.